Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Donia. My drug educational infomercial will be about the drug cocaine. So let's get started. So what is cocaine? We know cocaine is obviously a drug, but to be exact, it's a white powder drug that can be snorted, injected, rubbed on your gums, transferred into small rocks, which is also known as crack. So if you hear the word crack, people are referring to the drug cocaine. The drug is created from the leaves of coca plants. They're normally found in South America. Cocaine can be used legally and illegally. So not a lot of people know this, but the drug can be prescribed by a doctor. This normally happens during surgeries, but most of the time the drug is used illegally. Cocaine can be mixed with other drugs, which makes it more dangerous. So sometimes cocaine is laced with another drug, and the mixture of the two drugs is definitely a little bit more dangerous. And some other terms that people use when talking about cocaine can include coke, blow, see, snow, flake, and crack. So if you hear any of those terms, people are referring to cocaine. What does a person feel when they do this drug? So the high that people normally get when they are using cocaine is they feel energized, they feel happy, excited. This drug is known to make your whole body just feel extra fast and sped up. But you can also experience mood changes, which can include sadness, depression, paranoia, just feeling like somebody's watching you or, something's going on around you that might not be happening. This drug has an effect on your dopamine levels. So they're increased when using this drug, which causes most of these feelings that you experience. And lastly, you can be hypersensitive to light, to sound, and to touch. So some of the side effects that people experience when using cocaine, these are just like the minor side effects. You can feel a fast or irregular heartbeat, muscle twitches. You may feel restlessness. Your blood pressure and your body temperature is raised. Your pupils can be dilated. You can feel nauseous, and your blood vessels can be constricted. So these are all, things to look out for when someone is using the drug. And the more serious consequences and side effects of using cocaine, depending on the method you choose to do when doing the drugs, serious consequences can occur. So if you decide to snort cocaine, which is you're using the drug and inhaling it through your nose, this can lead to difficulty swallowing. You can experience nosebleeds, and you can even lose your ability to smell. Smoking cocaine can lead to developing a serious cough, asthma, and dangerous infections such as pneumonia. And injecting cocaine, it's entering your bloodstream. So by injecting cocaine, you can have scarring on your skin. You can have infections due to injecting cocaine. And you also have a higher risk of getting the disease of HIV and hepatitis C, which we know is very dangerous. And obviously, one of the most serious side effects of using cocaine is addiction, and that alone is something that is very serious. And one of the most serious side effects, of course, is overdose. And when you overdose, you can obviously die. And if someone doesn't die from an overdose, your body, the recovery that your body goes through after an overdose is pretty life-changing as well. So cocaine addictions, if a person becomes addicted to cocaine, the withdrawal symptoms are very difficult to deal with. A person can feel tired, depressed, they're unable to sleep, they feel constantly hungry, nightmares occur, and your slow process of things around them. And some treatments for cocaine include cognitive behavioral therapy, a reward system, drug-free living, and a community-based programs such as like 12-step programs. And this is just an image I found that I found interesting, the street price of a gram of cocaine. So cocaine is pretty expensive in all countries. Another image I thought was really interesting was how our brain looks. Someone using cocaine in comparison to a healthy person. So the image on the right shows someone that uses cocaine and all the gray matter that is lost. In comparison to the left side is a normal, healthy brain. And lastly, to end my PowerPoint, I found a quote that I found interesting. As a person continues to use crack cocaine, the reward system will respond less and cause the individual to use more of the drug to feel the same effect, which is what causes addiction. A person wants more and more to continue feeling the high. And that wraps up my PowerPoint. Thank you guys so much.